Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I am back with another hair video today, and it is something so simple but very highly requested. It is my sleek low bun. Let me tell you guys, it's one of the easiest hairstyles to do, and I pretty much rock it to like every Indian wedding. I wear it when I have like 5 minutes to get ready. I wear it when my hair is oily and I can't be bothered to wash it, and everybody thinks it is like this nice fancy hairstyle, but it's really like my way of trying to put the least amount of effort but still look chic and put together. If you guys want to know how I like to do my sleek low bun, then please keep on watching. I promise you it takes less than 2 minutes to do. It's literally the most simplest thing ever. So basically, to get a good sleek low bun, you need your hair to be a bit oily. So I personally love doing this style when my hair is a little bit oily. It's probably on like the 3rd or the 4th day of washing. That's when all the juices come out from your hair, so it's gonna help make the style look very sleek. So what I like to do is I like to obviously part my hair first, and then I start by brushing it down, and you want to make sure that your part is like dead center, because otherwise it's not gonna look right. So once I do that, I also like to go in with some hair oil. Personally, I love using this by Earings hair oil from Earings. It works so great and it has so many skin benefits, and it basically is just gonna like fix your hair while it's in a bun. So I like to just rub it between my fingers and run it along the lengths of my hair as well as my roots. So this hair oil is like amazing. It has so many health benefits, and I love doing this because not only do I get a sleek, sexy hairstyle out of this, I'm also doing something nice for my hair because I put so much heat on it. I damage it so much. So this is a great way for me to take care of my hair as well. So basically, once it's nice and sleek, I'm gonna go back in with this brush, and you want to use either a boar bristle brush or anything that is gonna really just like grip onto your hair and flatten any flyaways. So once I'm happy with the way it's sitting, I'm gonna take a hair tie, and you're gonna tie a really tight pony at the nape of your neck. And you want to make sure there's no flyaways, no loose ends hanging out. And you're going to go around with the hair tie as many times as you can to make sure the pony is like super tight. And now I'm going to go back in, make sure there's no flyaways or anything like that. And then you can also go in with some hairspray just to lightly down any flyaways. And once you're happy with the way it's sitting, you're gonna start twisting your hair. And as you're twisting it, you're basically wrapping it around the pony. And I'm basically just twisting it as I go down. And then once I've wrapped it all around, I'm gonna go back in with another hair tie. You can use bobby pins, but I don't use them all the time just because sometimes they end up like really poking my scalp or pulling hair out. So I find that using a hair tie is more friendly for your hair. But because my hair is short, some of it is gonna fall out, so I like to make sure I do go in with some bobby pins to secure that. And then basically any loose ends, you're just gonna secure it with bobby pins. And basically that, you guys, is my 2-minute low sleek bun. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like from the back, but as you can see, it was literally so easy to do. And there you have it, you guys. This is my 2-minute sleek low bun. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Let me know in the comments below if there's any other hair videos you guys want me to do. I would love to film them for you. And if you have any other questions for me, feel free to leave it in the comments below, and I will see you all next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.